Hey everyone, this week I wanted to talk about something that I've been, kind of muddling and managing through for the last couple of weeks or so, I would say. And that's burnout. We talk about self-care all of the time, and it's so important. And while self-care can help reduce the effects of burnout, I don't think that anything ever completely stops us from experiencing it from time to time. So, I'm interested to hear from all of you what some of your experience with burnout has been and, kind of how you get back on track. I've been in social work for 11, 11, almost 12 years now. And so this is not my first round with burnout, but this one just feels a little different. I don't know if it's because I am a single mom working full time and working on my internship and trying to maintain, big first grade feelings and teaching and navigating those, things and relationships with my kiddo, which has been a little bit tough lately. And, just a lot of like personal family related health stuff that's kind of a lot and taking a toll, and I just feel tired. I feel so tired. And I don't know, one would think, I was kind of thinking like, oh my gosh, I'm using my job as my internship, like as my placement. This is going to be fantastic. I'm going to get some new experiences, but it's not going to be a ton of time demand outside of what I do on a daily basis. And while that's true, I feel like, it's just not the internship, but everything's just compounding and I'm feeling it really hard right now. So, I will come out of it. I will get over it, right? But like, I guess it's just been heavy on my heart and my chest lately about what do we do when we're in it? And what are some of the big warning signs and triggers that you guys experience? I know for me, a big part of it is compassion fatigue. Like I start to feel, I don't want to say annoyed, but like short with my residents, or I feel like I start to lack compassion for their, daily struggles and the support that they need on a daily basis, which, I know is my job and I do my best every single day. I give it my best every single day. But it just becomes a challenge. And that's kind of when I recognize that, I'm reaching the end of my rope. And a couple of weeks ago, I recognized that. And I had a client that had jammed me between a door and a door jamb when he was mad at me. I was walking back through the door and he slammed it, which then jammed me in between. And while it didn't hurt me, it took every fiber in my being not to turn around and just react, right? And so that for me was like, whoa, you need a second. And I think we all kind of feel the short staffedness, or all kind of feel strapped to, is taking time off really feasible right now? Is it good for my program? I think I tend to think too much about that stuff. Like, while it's my job, I also have other responsibilities in my life that also require me to be at my best. And sometimes that's just really stinking hard. So, yeah, I mean, I guess it's just like my rambling for this week. What do you guys do when you're burnt out? And honestly, if someone tells me they've never felt burnt out, I'm going to be like, are you a robot? How do you do that? Because we're human, and Political ads are driving me nuts. It's all you hear right now. We're back in that time, and everybody just wants a piece of me in some capacity. And I'm just feeling tired. Need to recharge my batteries. So, any thoughts or pointers, things maybe I haven't tried before, or other things besides like, oh, taking a break, practicing mindfulness and accountability and doing all those things, but sometimes it feels like it's not working. So, anything anybody has from my ramblings this week, please feel free to share. We'll talk soon. Thanks.